So we've been talking about, what's science? That's the first topic of things, and science is more than just, memorizing a bunch of facts and figures and those kind of things. Science is just trying to figure stuff out. Scientists see stuff in the world, right? And then they ask a question: how does that work? What's going on? I'm going to show you something really cool here, and you see if you can tell me what's going on. We take a styrofoam cup, okay? And I got a couple things here. Does anybody know what this thing's called? What's that called?
A beaker.
Beaker, very good. And Owen, I need you to hold your hand up, please. Owen, does this feel like water?
Yes.
Okay, so that feels like water, okay? I'm going to put the water into the cup. Haley, did the water go in the cup? Okay, water is in the cup. What's this called? Yeah.
The test tube?
It kind of looks like a test tube, not quite a test tube. Yeah. It's like a skinny beaker, kind of, yeah. Graduated cylinder. So we graduated cylinder. What was that one called? Beaker, graduated cylinder. These are two of the things we're going to use this year. Haley, put your hand up, please. That's like water.
Yeah.
Okay, so it feels like water. Is it water for sure?
Yeah.
It's most likely something that's not going to harm you, though, right? Because I put it on your hand. I'm going to put that inside a cup. Okay. What's this? Tyler?
Another beaker.
It's kind of a funny looking beaker, yeah. It has a special name. Yeah. Flask, very good. What kind of flask? I don't know. It's a flask. It's called an Erlenmeyer flask. Everybody say Erlenmeyer. Erlenmeyer. So those are the three things we're going to use this year. This is called a graduate cylinder. This is called an Erlenmeyer flask. So those are the three things that, and we use other ones, but these are the standard go-tos for chemistry stuff that we'll do. Okay, hand out. What does it feel like? Feels like water, okay. Is it water? Most likely, okay. We're not 100% sure, but it looks like water. It feels like water. Okay, I'll put this in here like this. Well, Leonardo, can you verify that the water went in the cup?
Yes.
You're sure?
I think so.
You think so? Did you see it go in the cup?
I saw it going towards the cup. I
So
didn't see it in the cup.
So you haven't, yeah, good point. So you haven't necessarily seen it, you saw it go in, but you're not 100% sure that it's in the cup.
Yes.
Correct, okay. There we go. So if I take this pencil now, like this, I push it through like this. Magically, no water comes out. Round of applause, Mike. It's amazing, isn't it? But what if I went a little bit lower? See what happens. That's weird. Okay. Maybe there's something in there. Like this. Weird. Like this. Strange. Maybe if I go like this. Weird. Like this. The question is, where'd the water go? That's weird, right? And scientists, that's how they look at the world. They see things, and it's like, that doesn't make sense. And we would observe things, we'd examine it. Maybe we would look in the cup. We'd look a little deeper. We'd examine what the cups are. And we would see, try to get answer to those questions. So as scientists this year, our goal is to figure out how do things work. And we're going to isolate variables, and we're going to try to focus on one thing to figure it out. Raise your hand if you think you know how that works. Okay. All of you do. All of you know how this works. You just don't realize you know how it works. And I'm gonna let you think about that over the weekend. And then on Monday, we'll talk about maybe ideas for how this thing works, and I will tell you the answer to this one. Okay? Cut.